In this video, I'll show you how to replace the maintenance box on your Epson XP 5200. So the first step is to turn the printer completely on the other side, so we see the back of it. The maintenance box is located on the lower left side, right over here. You can even see a small logo. To remove the maintenance box that is currently in place, we'll need a small flathead screwdriver like this one. If you have a knife, it could also work. So over here we have one screw, only one, that we need to remove. Okay, simply turn counterclockwise. Okay, and now we have to slide it out. The maintenance box goes on the side of the printer as well. And to slide it out, you simply need to put your finger against the printer, push, and pull towards the back of the printer. This way, this cover will come out. I'll put links in the description down below if you want to get a new maintenance box from Amazon. Now, to remove this one, put your finger over here, your thumb, and simply slide it out from the side. The maintenance box, as you see, is the place where all the excess ink gets discarded, and sometimes it gets full and you need to replace it. Once you have the new maintenance box, hopefully you bought it from Amazon through my links, you're simply gonna put it like this, and you see there's an arrow here that simply shows you that you need to push. Okay, and once it's in place, honestly, it's very easy. Put back the cover. Make sure it clicks in place. Take your screwdriver, and now it's time to tighten everything up so it does not move. Okay, it's not sliding anywhere, and this is about it. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.